Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can change your background or themes on your Roblox. Don't forget to subscribe and like before we begin. Okay, let's dive in. Now, I only know this method for Chrome. If you're using a different browser, I recommend using Chrome as well. Okay, so to do that, as you can see, my background is empty currently. It's the default background of Roblox. So to do that, go ahead and add another tab on your browser and then search for Chrome Web Store like this. And then once you're inside, on the search bar, just type stylish like this. And then click the first link. It says stylish custom themes for any website. So click on this and then click on add to Chrome. And then just a window will pop up and then just click this add extension. And then once you add it on your extensions, it will take you to this website right here. Now it will ask you to agree to their privacy and terms of use. So you just hit agree here. You can just skip this. And then once you're inside, you can see there's a lot of background to use. So to actually change your Roblox background, you can see this text right here that says, what are we styling? And then here, there's a bunch of website here. And then what you're going to do is just click on Roblox website, just like so, and then wait for it to load. Now you can see a bunch of backgrounds right here. So there's a cat, there's a Lofi like here. So basically just find the background that you want. And then if you find it, for example, just for this tutorial, I'm going to use this and click on this and then it will show you this option right here. And just click install style. And once you've done that, you can just go to your Roblox website and then it will automatically change. Or alternatively, you can just click check it out link below it. And then once you click on it, it will automatically take you to the Roblox website. So yeah, I hope this one helps. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.